She pooped on me. No.
Welcome back to Sky. Hey guys, welcome back to Sky. Today we're opening the Poopsie Surprise Unicorn. So let's get started. So it's 20 plus magic surprises. Can you believe that?
Oh.
And then it magically poops slime.
Oh my goodness.
And then on the back, a unicorn really poops.
It really poops.
Yeah. And then the direction says first you have to feed the unicorn.
Okay.
Then it naturally poops slime.
Okay.
Then you add magic,
And it changes the colors.
So there's Dazzle Darling,
Okay.
Rainbow Bright Star,
Yeah.
and there's Oopsie Starlight.
Oh wow.
And Whoopsie
Doodle.
Whoopsie Doodle.
Oopsie doodle. Rip it open. Get it off. Beautiful. Yes, lovely. Oh yes. Look. Oh my God. Why are you singing?
This up or open these up?
It has different things on it.
So we're opening this now?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So ready, set, go.
Oh, what? Who do we got? Who is this?
Let me see who we got.
Who is this?
Who do we get? These are distractions. I don't think.
I thought she was gonna be like, kind of like small, like bite size.
No.
No.
Okay. All right. So we
So
found
we have Dazzling Darling.
Dazzling Darling.
Simply marvelous, marvelous, just simply marvelous.
She has this great hair, like it's like rainbow type. She smells bad, and she has blue, and she has green, and blue eyes with blue eyelashes.
Oh wow.
And then she has a heart belly button, and she has her own toilet. I want to get on the toilet.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing, Sky.
I know.
I wish I had toys like this growing up.
Hey guys, comment down below if you know what this is for.
Yeah, because I have no clue.
Yeah, me. So we just found out that it's a cleaning tube for her mouth.
Yes.
Isn't that so great? We didn't know that. Stop it. Okay, we're ready.
I'm not ready.
You are? I'm ready.
I'm ready.
So now we get to open this up.
Tear one packet of unicorn shampoo.
Yes, one packet. How do you get this in?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh. Ooh. There you go. Get it all in there.
No, it's stuck.
Oh. Hold on.
Oh.
We got a little dilemma.
I don't know.
Hold on. I gotta do some surgery. Hold on, let me go do some surgery,
Get a
please.
spoon out of the baby's mouth.
Lord God. Hold on, Sky. Hold on, Sky.
No, mommy, cut it.
Surgery was a success.
Yes.
Whew. That would have been bad.
Yes, really bad.
Sure. When you're putting the spoon in,
You put it on the
You
right
put it in
way
the
instead
right
of
way.
that way.
oh wow, that's a cool little bottle.
This is amazing.
Is that Starbucks?
Yes. Wait. Now.
Pour the tap water into the bottle, then tightly close the lid on the bottle. Perfect. Just perfect. Put it on tightly.
Now you have to shake it.
Yep, so with one finger, make sure you cover the straw like Sky. And you hold the bottle tightly and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 30 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Keep on going.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4, 25,
96,
25, 26,
24,
27,
28,
28, 29,
48.
30. Okay. Put the straw inside the unicorn's mouth
Yes.
and squeeze it until it's all gone.
You-
Where did it go? I can't
Coming out?
do it.
Hold on, let's go. Get it in there.
I don't know.
All right, let's see. This stuff is so thick.
It's going through.
All right.
Guys, it didn't go out well, so we already have our slime, which is really stretchy and good.
So we're gonna have to make a new batch of slime so she can
Yeah.
actually eat it.
And poop it out.
Yeah. Try number 2. Oh, hold on, hold on.
Oh no!
Hold on. I guess her diaper needs to be on.
Yeah.
Okay.
She pooped on me. Oh, no, mommy. I'm gonna move it now.
That's number 2.
That's number 2.
Did not.
Did not work.
We're gonna get this. We're gonna conquer this.
Okay.
Let's go. Third time's a charm, I think. It's getting messy.
No! Putting the 4th batch in, because all of them failed. So,
All right.
we did everything wrong here. Because we had to sit her on the toilet while she had her diaper and shirt on, feed her on the toilet, and then when it clicks, we can't get it to click. But when it clicks, we
Shake her up.
shake her up and down like a cartwheel, and then we take off her diaper on her toilet, and then we push her belly button, and then shoot poop out the water, and then we had to wait for a little bit for it to thicken up, and then it'll be slime.
There you go. Get it all in there. Good job.
Good job. He's drinking. I think it's all in there. Let's check. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, good.
Put on the toilet.
Now you press her belly button. And she should start to release.
Oh, she's doing it. She's doing it.
Yes.
Let's see.
Oh, she did it! We just potty trained her.
Yay!
It was a success, Sky. High five.
We did it. Let's.
Okay, so we give it a few minutes to set.
Yeah.
Let's see exactly how many minutes.
If it
10 to 15 minutes to set.
it's acting like really, really, really liquidy.
Okay. So we'll let it set for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes, Sky.
Yes. Yes. Slime has got together. It looks kind of liquidy, but I promise it's not. So let's see if it got together.
Oh, yeah.
It
Consistency of that is like slimy, like real slime. Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Whoa.
Yes.
This feels like so slimy.
Great.
Smoke up in here. It's turning blue. It's getting all sparkly.
Nice and sparkly. I can't believe we came this far, Sky.
I know.
Came so far.
We were about to do a different video. All we had to do was feed a unicorn and poop out slime.
Look at that. You want to put some sparkle in now? All right. Perfect.
Wait.
Sign. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful.
So now let's mix it and then we'll put it on this one. Wow.
Oh. Amazing.
What?
It's so amazing.
Thank you, unicorn. It still smells bad.
Beautiful.
Half. To keep the diaper on the unicorn when you're feeding it. Let me write that down. You have to shake it real hard. And then when it's done, you have to squeeze the bottle to get inside the mouth. And it has to be so liquidy. And then when he poops it out, you have to wait for 15 minutes. And then you can start poking it and all the great things you can do to the slime. Let me write all that down. So, lesson learned. You know how to do it, and that's all the things we messed up. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below. See you next time. Bye!